So, for lesson 8.10, we are talking about noun clauses as objects of prepositions, and we already know what both of these things are. All we have to do is put them together. So, this should be a pretty easy lesson. For your warm up, I want you to look for a pencil in your home, then write a sentence on where you found the pencil. Here are some sample sentences. I found a pencil on my desk. I found a pencil in a drawer. I found a pencil under my bed. So all three of these sentences have prepositional phrases: on my desk, in a drawer, under my bed. And the object of those prepositions is just the last word in that phrase. So desk, drawer, bed. So if you can understand this, understanding the lesson is going to be a lot better. Here are the notes. A preposition tells position or shows relationship. The object of the preposition answers what after the preposition. So on what? On the desk. In what? In a drawer. A clause has a subject and a predicate. It is dependent, and that is how we will find our noun clause. So we learned about desert biomes. About is the preposition, and what did we learn about? Desert biomes. We learned about the characteristics of desert biomes. We learned about what the characteristics of desert biomes are. So this one, the second one, has a noun clause. So this has a noun. What did we learn? We learned about desert biomes. We learned about what the characteristics of desert biomes are. I am interested in how animals adapt to dry environments. So in is the preposition. What are you interested in? How animals adapt to dry environments. There are some other really good examples on page 158, so I recommend reading the entire lesson and the sentences. But here are some sample answers to exercise 1. It says identify each noun clause used as an object of a preposition. Not all sentences have noun clauses in this way. So number 1, I was surprised by what I saw in the store window. What I saw in the store window comes after the preposition by, and it has a subject and a predicate. Number 2, the sign announced what could be called a guessing contest. So there is no preposition in that one. Therefore, there is no noun clause, none. Number 3, each entrant had to make a guess about how many jelly beans a certain container held. So about is the preposition, how many jelly beans a certain container held. Another clue is that most of these phrases start with what or how. Okay, so all you have to do is exercise 2 on Google Classroom. Please let me know if you need help.